So let's cook or make a Filipino sticky rice cake, guys, or we call it biko. And it is made of coconut milk and then brown sugar, but mine I will use muscovado sugar. And then of course our cook sticky rice. And then next we will make or cook latik. Now guys, let's cook our latik, or in English I think it's coconut curd. Yan, let's pour our coconut, guys. That's enough. Until just keep stirring, guys. So it's boiling now, guys. Just keep halo-halo lang. Just keep stirring. Halo-halo. Baka masunog. Yan, halo-halo lang and then magba-brown siya. It turns brown. Dito na siya, guys. O-oil na siya. It turns brown now, guys. In the oil. That's it, guys. That's enough. Then set aside. So guys, masarap siya kainin, guys. Masarap na siya, manamis-namis. Yan, halo-halo lang, guys. Kakaramelize muna natin. Para madali na siya matuyo. I think it's okay now. Then it put our cook sticky rice. So guys, it's so sticky, guys. It's sticky. See? It burns. It burn. Sticky rice. You'll get this one, guys. It burn. Burn. Ayan. Halo-halo lang, guys, hanggang sa mag-ano, guys. Mag-oil natin yung ating malagkit. Magsigaw gid siya. Yan. Ano to, guys? Just sticky. Transfer na. So let's transfer it, guys. Here. Sayang niya. Sayang, guys.